Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to remove Gmail account from your Google Pixel 9a 5G Android mobile phone. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, to remove a Gmail account, you need to go your Play Store. When you tap on your Play Store, a new interface will open on your screen just like that. Here at the top of right of the screen, you can see a logo or a DP of your Google account. So just tap on it. When you tap on it, a new interface you can see on your screen just like that. Here at the right top of the screen you can see a type of arrow. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, a new interface you can see on your screen just like that. Here there is a option of add another account. Okay, just tap on it. When you tap on it, a new interface you can see on your screen just like that. Here you can see all your Gmail accounts which is logged in your Android mobile phone. Okay, just select any one of your Gmail account which you want to remove. Okay, in my case I select number second. The just tap the Gmail account. Okay, as you wish. I select the second. Okay, when you tap on it, a new window will open on your screen. A new interface you can see on your screen. Okay, here at the bottom of the screen you can see a option of remove account. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, a pop-up window you can see on your screen. Just simple tap on OK button. Okay, when you tap on OK button, you can see the Gmail account has been removed. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you. So bye bye, take care.